In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you check Roblox password. Let's get started. First, launch your Google app. Click on the profile icon. Select the option Manage your Google account. Now head over to the option Security and Sign In. Inside this page, you're gonna find different option. Scroll all the way down. Now navigate to the option Password Manager. Click on that. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of the website along with their password. In this list, you might find Roblox. You'll need to click on that, then select the option password. With that, you're going to find the Roblox password. In case you are unable to find over here, close this. Search for Passwords app in your app library. Once it appears, launch it. Now navigate to the Alts tab. In this page as well, you're gonna find different website links along with the password. In case you have saved your Roblox password, you're gonna find it over here. All you have to do is click on the option Roblox, then click on the option password. You might be prompted to use your Face ID verification. After you complete that, Roblox password will be visible. So this way you can easily view or check your Roblox password. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.